I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials and taking immediate action. Check that both host and client are powered and on the same network. If Bluetooth, ensure pairing mode is active. Once done, sign in with admin credentials and note the device IPs and driver versions. Make sure to close screen sharing apps and disable any VPN or proxy that could route traffic differently. Take a clear screenshot of the exact error text. This saves time when diagnosing connection failures later. Now diagnose connectivity and drivers methodically. First, ping the host IP and run traceroute to confirm network paths. Then test the specific remote port, for example 5678, with a port scanner. Next, update or reinstall the mouse and remote control drivers. You can switch to the generic HID driver to rule out driver-specific bugs. Meanwhile, inspect firewall rules on both ends and router NAT settings to ensure finish by restarting both devices and re-establishing the remote session. This clears transient state. Once reconnected, confirm latency is acceptable and test cursor control. Enable detailed logging in the remote app, then reproduce the failure and inspect logs for authentication or handshake errors. If problems persist, reset network settings or temporarily use a phone hotspot to isolate ISP or router issues. One key tip: if you see repeated auth failures, delete saved credentials on both sides, then re-enter them to clear corrupted tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.